Life can sometimes feel overwhelming, as if everything is crumbling around you. In times of distress, it's vital to pause and reflect on certain truths that can help guide you through the chaos. Acknowledging that it's okay to feel lost is the first crucial step towards healing. Finding solace and support can be life-saving. Surrounding yourself with compassionate friends or family can provide a necessary anchor. They become a network of reassurance, offering a listening ear, practical help, or simply a comforting presence. Their understanding can remind you that you're not alone, even in your darkest moments. Creating small routines can help regain a sense of normalcy. Simple actions such as a morning walk, a favorite cup of tea, or reading a few pages of a book can ground you. These rituals serve as reminders of the stability that still exists, allowing you to reclaim parts of your day from the turmoil. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for processing emotions. Pouring out your thoughts onto paper clears your mind and provides clarity. Each written word transforms chaotic feelings into tangible ideas, enabling you to revisit them with perspective later. It's a therapeutic release that fosters introspection. Practicing self-compassion is paramount. Be gentle with yourself and recognize that sadness and confusion are part of the human experience. Replace self-criticism with understanding and allow space for grace as you navigate your way through troubling times. Engaging in physical activity can lift your spirits. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or dancing to your favorite music, getting your body moving releases endorphins, which naturally elevate mood and energy levels. Physicality connects you to your body, paving the way for emotional release. Setting small, achievable goals gives you a sense of direction. Instead of overwhelming yourself with the big picture, focus on one step at a time. Celebrate each small victory as it represents resilience and progress amidst chaos. Seeking professional help can be a sign of strength. Therapists and counselors provide expert guidance tailored to your situation. Their unbiased perspective and coping strategies can shed light on paths you may not have considered. Lastly, remember that storms eventually pass. Difficult times often bring valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Each setback can lead to newfound strengths and insights that enrich your life moving forward. Cultivating patience allows you to trust in the process, even when it feels agonizingly slow. By holding on to these 8 reminders, you can navigate through life's upheavals with more resilience and hope. Remember, after rain comes the clarity of a rainbow.